I'm here to sort of make sure what I know is correct and to learn even more. I'm AI lead at Unitas Wholesale. Being AI lead, I also want to be at the forefront of AI and being confident with it and be able to pass that on to our team and sort of implementing it across our business. So I've done online ones, I've done in-person ones. I do think in person just is better. It's more natural. It feels like you can ask questions maybe be more embarrassed to ask, I think, online, and you sort of can get a point and the message across a bit more easier. So what we just covered is the sort of the foundations you need to have in place before properly adopting and implementing AI, and it's certainly eye-opening into what we need to do. In the time that you have one day to cover the amount that we do cover on this course is miraculous, to be honest, because it's such a huge topic, and to fit it all in one day is no small feat. Well, for me, it's implementing it on a sort of wide scale across our team. The governance is important to me. It's boring to most people, but it is a very important part of it. So it's just sort of taking it back to the company and knowing how to tackle it, basically. To have someone who knows what they're talking about, you trust, you can sort of go into it and just sort of take it at face value from there. Well, one of the questions they asked was how excited we are about AI. I was a 10, I'm still a 10. It hasn't gone down, which is a good sign. But certainly, yeah, I feel like I know as much as I did, but like I said, the confidence to go in and share that with the team has increased. I am an 11 out of 10. I'll give you that, yeah.